today I'm making a new recipe for you guys. Chicken momo. I know everyone likes it. So come, let's see what are the ingredients. Here I have taken 350 grams of chicken, boneless chicken. 1 big size chopped onion. 5 to 6 pieces garlic which is chopped, and here 2 green chilies. Now let's see how we will make the, first of all we will marinate the chicken. In this chicken I will add this onion, chopped onion. After that I will add this garlic, chopped garlic, and chili. Now I will add this one. This is called pepper powder. 1 tablespoon pepper powder. And now I will add this Wickfield soya sauce. Just 2 tablespoons for color. And at last I will add oregano, which is available in market very easily. It will bring the chicken momo a more delicious taste. 1 tablespoon of oregano. Now I will mix all this. And now I will not add the salt because it will take out water from the chicken. So at last I will add the salt. When I will make the momos, then I will add the salt. Now I will marinate this and I will keep this aside for 5 hours. And yes, I will add refined oil. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. 1, 2, and I will mix it well. And I will let it marinate for 5 hours. After 5 hours, see, my chicken has been marinated so deliciously. See, my chicken is looking so delicious. It has been marinated very nicely. Now I will make the dough for momo. Now here I have taken 500 grams of maida or flour. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now again I will add refined oil, a little bit of, so that it will become soft from inside also. And now I will add water and I will make a dough out of it. From this dough I have made here 20 pieces of lychees. Now from this I will make the roll, and again I will put this mixture into the inside this, and then I will close it. Now let's do that. See, inside this I will put this chicken quinoa mixture, just little bit, and I will fold it in any shape. You can give it in any shape. And here I have put the water to get it heated up. Any shape you can give. So I will make this all 20 pieces momos. See. Now I will make all this. tomato chili sauce. To make the cooking faster, I have made it already. Here I have taken 2 big size tomato, 5 garlic, and I have done it paste, and 1 red chili. After that, in a kadhai I have put oil, refined oil 2 tablespoons, and I have put that mixture, and after that I have added salt. If you want this recipe, I will definitely